Hey, what's up everyone? I have a 2005 Nissan Maxima 3.5 standard 6-speed. It's pretty cool, I like it. Anyhow, if you have a Maxima or Altima in that similar year and you're experiencing a screeching noise coming from your front wheel, mine was the left front, change your bearings. I changed the hub and the bearing. It cost me $100. Took it to my buddy's shop, and that was only $50 for me, and I did some of the labor. But I found a review on YouTube. Same problem. It was an Altima, and it was like when you're coming to a halt, you can hear the screeching and squeaking noise. And then it progresses, and then it just goes away sometimes. So the woman that posted the last one, she said she changed the rotor and the brakes. She never said if it fixed anything. And finally, I switched out the bearings and the the bearings and the hub, and problem went away. Problem solved. All right. So there you have it. We got results. Easy fix. Thank you.